Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be starting a new series titled JoJo Build Series. Basically, I'll be customizing my keyboards in the vision of specific JoJo characters or stands. The reason why is because JoJo is probably my favorite anime series all around, and I think it will introduce a lot of fun color palettes as well as a lot of creativity in choosing some of the keycap sets. So without further ado, let's get this started. So, going into the JoJo character that we will be building the keyboard of today, it is actually going to be Wonder of You. So Wonder of You is my favorite stand of all time, and it's centered around his very cool power that we'll get into a bit, but the stand itself looks incredibly mysterious. So I'll probably have it somewhere like around here for you to see. And yeah, it has like the black top hat, red eyes, cane. Never seen a stand walking with a cane before. And it just looks so menacing, and it always makes me think, what the hell is this thing? And I'll give you guys a spoiler alert for those that have not read the manga or plan to wait for the anime. It's gonna be a long time before that comes out. But spoiler in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So, Wonder of You is the mysterious head doctor of TG University, which centers around the mystery of Morio, and it's the main antagonist of Part 8 JoJolion. The stand's ability is basically Wonder of You is the whole embodiment of calamity. And how this works is it basically brings doom or calamities upon anyone pursuing it. It's so OP that even normal mishaps can turn fatal. Like if you were to trip over an umbrella, it would actually cause you to fracture your legs by how hard that umbrella became because of its ability to control calamity. And I just love that concept because it's just so rare and it's just so novel. There's plenty of time-based abilities in and outside of JoJo, you know, super strength, fire, ice, elemental. So it's a really rare ability to see calamity being used as a concept for an ability, and that is the whole basis of this build. Let's go into the items that we'll be using for this build, starting with the keyboard set itself. So I'll be using my Keychron V5 Max as the base because of its carbon black casing, which draws very close colors to the Wonder of You's primary color. And for keycaps, we'll actually be using these keycaps over here, and they're basically the GMK Evil Dolch. They're clones, of course, so they aren't the real thing, they're just clones. And you can see that this is a very nice keycap set. It's dice up, and the reason why I went with this keycap set is it looks so perfectly made for Wonder of You. So some of the things could be this one in particular. Yeah, so this design looks exactly like Wonder of You's mask or face. Aside from that, we have a couple of others. So yeah, you have a lot of these like circular keycaps. So something like this. This also looks and reminds me of Wonder of You's face. And of course, you have a lot of the trademark Evil Dolch, so that signifies it's a bad guy, I would say. And to top it all off, it's the color palette. So it's mainly grayish black, so it's pretty close to the black main color for Wonder of You's coat. And it has the red accents, not only in terms of the novelties, but also that your fonts are also in red. So I'm super excited to be using this for my Wonder of You build. For switches, we'll actually be using these guys over here. So these are basically Keygeek Y2s, and they're a recommendation I got from Reddit as well as YouTube channels. A lot of people have done reviews on this because of its very deep profile. So I wanted my V5 Max to one be talkie, which the Keygeek Y2s is supposed to be a talkie switch, and second, it can't be too loud because my V5 Max is primarily being used in the office, and the Keygeek Y2s are supposed to give me a more muted talkie sound. So that's the reason why I'm going with it, and I'll do like a full switch review in another video. But all in all, how the Keygeek Y2 achieves its stockiness is from two things. It's UPE stem, which is a less stiff material compared to your traditional palm, and it has a waffle stem tip design, which basically increases the surface area of its tip, and apparently it helps to diffuse sound waves. So that's the secret behind the Keygeek Y2's talkiness. And right now, let's get the build started. I will be going through the mods I selectively picked to be included in my Wonder of You build, and at the end of it, we'll hear a sound test between the stock V5 Max versus my modded V5 Max to see if you guys can tell any difference. So I'll only be doing a very simple mod here, which is the Tempest tape mod as well as the Holy mod. So right now you just see me putting 2 layers of tape onto the back of the PCB, and just make sure, as what I'm doing here, that you're pressing the tape in, because otherwise you won't get the full effect of the tape mod. This is to ensure that it's properly connected or touching the base of the PCB. And something else that I'm not showing over here is that I've also done a Holy mod just for the spacebar and nothing else, because I think that needed a bit more work. So this is the finished product. I think the build came out extremely nicely. I love the deep muted talkiness of the Y2s. It's perfect for office use. And the simple tape mod that we did added a really nice crunch to an otherwise pretty tame switch. The keycaps look great on the carbon black board as well. It really matches Wonder of You. So let me know what you guys think of the build, and if you like this series, and share your thoughts and feedback. I'd really love to hear them. And until next time, peace.